What's up, Money Geeks? Mr. V here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking again about my favorite thing, HSA. So, for those of you who don't know, HSA is kind of like a health savings account that the government instituted so that it would help people be able to pay for medical expenses. So what the government does is that they allow you to use that money for specific qualified medical expenses tax-free. I mean, I guess it's the government way of giving everybody a handout. So that's the way you can look at it. So I did a video about HSA previously, and I'm going to hook that up here if you haven't already, so you can go there and check out that video. So today I kind of want to touch a little bit again more and bring up some of the changes that happened for 2019. So number one change is that for SERF contribution, you go from $3,400 to $3,500, so they've increased the amount by $100. And then for families, you go from $6,700 to $7,000, so they've increased the amount almost about $300. So that is awesome. So if you haven't already started contributing to your HSA, and this is the one thing that I get a little bit frustrated about, because a lot of people don't take advantage of the HSA. For some reason, they think that, or they're never going to get sick or whatever. But HSA is a very awesome loophole, and I want you to jump in there and take advantage of it. The reason why you should contribute to an HSA is the so-called triple tax benefit. Triple tax benefit. So you get a tax break in three different stages. Isn't that sweet? So let me give you kind of a breakdown here. So with your HSA account, once you put money in that account, if you are an individual, like in 2019, you can contribute up to about $3,500, like I said. That money, if you don't use it at all, every year it rolls over. So it's not something that you have to use it or you lose it. No, every year that money rolls over. And then it gets invested since you're not using it. So you can invest it and it would grow, get gains and everything, like you're just investing in the stock market, but this money is specifically for your HSA. So number two, the gains that you get from this money are tax-free. So that's the second tax break. And number three, when you use the money for qualified medical expenses, see, I used the word qualify, and you have to check to see what qualified medical expenses really are. So you're not going to go do some maybe cosmetic surgery and expect to use your HSA. They probably wouldn't approve that. So qualified medical expenses, you can use that money tax-free. So in three different stages, that money doesn't get taxed. That is so awesome. If I had my way, I mean, like, I would definitely want the government to increase how much you can contribute into HSA, but they have a limit for obvious reason, because they know that money geeks like you and me would take advantage of that, which is what we're trying to do here. But I still want you to benefit from it. So if you have a 401k, you can max that out, which is about $18,500. Then you can add an additional $3,500 on top of that. So you're looking at close to about $22,000 in retirement that you're really putting aside. So for somebody that doesn't use the HSA, they're limited at $18,500. For you that's smart, you're using HSA, you're all the way to $22,000. So imagine that money gets invested. You are going to be getting more gains than the person that only has $18,500. So that's a smart way to look at it. So if again, the other point I want to mention here that's really important too is that if you are self-employed, I don't want you to feel like, oh, HSA doesn't apply to me. If you are self-employed, you can go to either Vanguard, Optum, WageWorks. There's so many companies out there. I know Vanguard is a reputable company. I don't have an affiliate with them, but you can go out there, open an account, and put $3,500 in there if you're single, and that would be your HSA, and you can write it off your income. Or as a family, you can put $7,000 for 2019, and you can write that off your income. That is a significant break that you can put, so that would take some burden off of you. And if you ever need to use that money for any medical reasons, you use it for free because you don't pay any tax. Sounds like a plan? So that's one thing I wanted to talk to you guys today. So again, open enrollment. I know some places they've closed already, but HSA, check it out definitely if you haven't already enrolled. And if you're self-employed, open yourself an account before the end of the year, so that way you can start contributing money starting January. Take advantage of it. I love HSA. I wish the amount could have been even more than the $3,500 that they're giving individuals, or more than the $7,000 that they're giving families, but it is what it is. So let's take what we can. I don't know about you, I try as much as possible to just pay my fair share of taxes, nothing more. So if there's any opportunity for me to kind of save on how much I'm going to pay in taxes, I take advantage of that. So that's what I want you guys to do as well. So if you have any questions regarding what we just talked about here today, definitely drop me a note, or leave me a question in the comment section. And as always, stay motivated.